Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. If you're not in the free Discord, go join it. It is linked down below, but I'm making this video real quick because the voice is watching my videos right now, and I don't like rewatching myself, so we're gonna go over this. But right here, you see two different executions. One of them, I got out at break even because I didn't know if I was early on the trade or not, but then I got back in, shorted, and you can see that we went straight down. So, yeah, we're gonna go over this little trade and tell you what I saw for the day. So coming into the day, I was very bullish. Why? Because we had that huge CPI day sell-off. I thought we wanted, oh, equilibrium's already there. I thought we wanted to return to equilibrium. ES did return to equilibrium. NQ got right under it. But yeah, coming in, noticing that we swept out these lows, take out sell side. Midnight open is right here. So we manipulated under midnight, 8:30. News right here manipulates us lower. So, and they were right on top of each other. So I'm not even going to mark out 8:30. But yeah, right there. And then after we sweep out these lows, we form a CISD right here. We have a breaker here, and we hold that. Take out this low, hold this, these two down close candles here, and then rip higher. Right, Pedro. Brother got a beautiful long. He caught 200 something points and he called it a day. So that guy got a beautiful trade in down here, but I got my trade in up here. So coming down to the 1 minute, obviously, because the higher time frames, if we just go to the 4 hour, this big ass candle is just straight down, so it's not really doing much. But what's this look like right here? Accumulation. So what goes up, like straight up, has to come down and have a retracement. So that's what I was waiting for. And right here, this is the first time that I got a, hey, we're probably gonna get a retracement. So right here, it's like a little power of 3. We have accumulation, we purge buy side, purge sell side, come back up and purge buy side, displace back inside the range. Now right here is where I took my first entry, right? This, oh my gosh, this was such a beautiful trade. Imbalance right here continues to be respected right after that displacement back inside the range. And then, where is it? Right here was my entry. So I entered in right here, had a stop up here, so about 9 points, 10 points, something like that. And then I just killed it right at break even because I was like, am I early on this? ES obviously looks super bullish still. So I'm just going to wait for the 1 minute to show me that we want to go lower. So I killed that trade at break even. Then we get this big candle. So I'm thinking to myself, okay, 1150 macro just opened up. We're about to have a new hourly candle open up. The hourly chart is literally just straight up. We're going to want to rebalance some of this. So what I did was 1 minute, right here, I was like, okay, little power of 3. We purged buy side, displaced back inside the range. 15-second was showing reversal. 1 minute is now showing reversal. So I use this inverse imbalance, right? Because this, I'm not going to short the whole way down here. And if we take out the equilibrium tool, you can see that this imbalance is not even in premium. So I pulled that out. Said, okay, this is close enough to equilibrium. I'll just short inside of here, and I got filled at, what did I get filled at? 47. So I got filled at 47. 47. Right at that imbalance. I had a stop right here, so 9 point stop. And then I took one contract off up here because I was like, yeah, I'm not going to have these equal lows get taken and then just charge back to the upside. So after that got taken, I went down to, what was it, 616 or something? Yeah, 616. Even though I should have targeted what, a discounted from this leg higher, should have targeted this imbalance down here, but it is what it is. I would have got filled out right there. It went literally straight down, so would have gotten filled out, but I just didn't hold that long, right? This little piece of the move was cool with me. What is that, 700 bucks? Yeah, 700 bucks on this little move lower. I mean, just a piece of a huge bullish uptrend going in the direction of opposite order flow, so I'm shorting a big move higher. And yeah, so what do I expect the rest of the day? Honestly, I wouldn't expect too much. Yeah, we may continue higher. Dude, what are you doing? We may continue higher, but I wouldn't put too much emphasis on us going straight back higher. Now, ES, on the other hand, ES looks like all-time highs are about to just get slapped. So, I mean, it's just erasing this entire move, right? We do have this 4-hour order block, but do we get there? I mean, we could. So, yeah. Another thing that I really wanted to see was gold longs right here inside of this imbalance. I tried to get filled out in this imbalance, right? We had that 830 news go down. What's this? Low resistance liquidity run, right? We have all these failure swings. I wanted to target this high up here, but I never got filled out, right? It would have looked something like this. Stop would have been like right there, targeting this high. So this is about to deliver, but I never got filled out. If we measure out standard deviations, I'd use the bodies right there. -2, probably, yeah, -2 lines up with this high. So just missed out on the fill right there. On the 5-minute, what I could have done is say, yo, filled this one out, respected, inverse these, broke this high, we have a breaker, we have a fair value gap, just enter there, risk off down here, and then let this run. I mean, gold looks pretty bullish. We did create these equal lows, so that's going to be a future target, but as of now, I'd expect gold to keep going to the upside. And then another one I wanted to take was oil. So I wanted to short oil because we took out this high, right? Never closed above it, so high resistance liquidity right there. Huge displacement lower. I wanted to measure out OTE. OTE lines up with this breaker here, and I wanted to short right there and target these equal lows that we created. So triple equal lows right there, but I haven't traded oil in so long, so I pretty much just paper traded it in my head, and that was pretty much it, right? It's a Friday, so I'm not trying to risk too much. Like I said in yesterday's video, I'll probably only trade 1, maybe 2 contracts, and on Top Step I did. On this Trade Evade account I didn't trade, so right, just rotating accounts. But yeah, that is the trade that I took for today, and it's going to be the video. So join the free Discord if you're not in it. It was a really good week. People in the Discord are getting funded, getting payouts, so if you're not in there, come join, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.